came here during quarantine just to give you guys a little tip on making door anchors. Why door anchors? Because most of us don't have a place we can put a suspension trainer in our house, and while we're all stuck in our house, a lot of this stuff is selling quick or it's taking way too long to get to the house. Like all the stuff I found on Amazon was 1-2 weeks out. Some of them like weren't shipping till June. And the one big thing that was slowing things down were either suspension trainer kits that came with door anchors or the door anchors themselves. They were all, I'd say, 2 weeks out from shipping. So I was thinking, why in the world is a door anchor? There's nothing complex about it. So I decided to make my own, and this one works very well. So you can see it up there. I'm gonna show you guys a quick demo of it, how to put it together and everything, but this will save you $215, but it will get you set up with a suspension trainer at your house. I have a link to rings, furniture sliders, and exercise band kit. So it's all under 60 bucks. You can get everything, as long as you don't mind making your own door anchor. All right, guys, so here's what we need to do this. It's incredibly simple. We just need 2 socks. Boot length ones are probably the best, or winter socks, but I have these Under Armours here. What you're gonna do, you want thicker ones. What you're gonna do is you're gonna shove one sock down inside the other sock, like so. Wanna be sure it's all the way down to the end inside of there. Then you are going to kind of fold it inside of itself, like this. And you're gonna be sure you got both ends there, and we are gonna cut the toes off. Everybody see this? We're cutting the toes off. Now, the suspension strap that you're using will go through here. Go ahead and fold that down inside there, make it somewhat pretty. Here we go. Now this goes on the outside of your door. So, and as long as you use good thick socks, it should have no issue holding your weight. I would suggest using this on maybe your front door or one of your sturdier doors in your house, so instead of some of your lighter ones throughout the house. So heavier duty door, better too. All right, so here we go, and I actually don't have a suspension trainer strap, but these are cargo straps. We have our anchor right there that we just made, and let's come inside. And this thing is not moving. I'm leaning on it completely, and these are just junky cargo straps, so I'm trying to pull this in. Awesome. So there's your anchor.